That's how we started, honest to God. The first 5 years in business, a lady called me in to install a microwave. She says, "Oh, I'm sure you'll probably never come out for this." Well, we did. We installed the microwave, and 2 years later, we basically built her a new house. I'm Mike Handrahan, the president and owner of Michael Handrahan Remodeling Incorporated, located in Hingham, Massachusetts, where we have been for the past 32 years. First thing I say to the people is, go on our website. You'll get a little bit of history, you'll get a little bit of customer experience from that.
My grandparents hired Mike to redo one of their bathrooms, and then my parents hired him, and my grandparents, and then my parents redid their house and had Mike do all of that. My aunt redid her house, and then ultimately we redid our house.
We do every job from little small, change out a shelf in a closet up to a multi-million-dollar custom home, everything in between. We've always prided ourselves on that, we always will. There's no job too small. We specialize in windows, bathroom redos, kitchen redos, closets, pretty much anything you can think of, we will take care of.
I mean, I think Mike is brilliant at what he does. And the team that he comes with is also unbelievable. From his subcontractors to his team of vendors. They would come here and show me things. I could go and look at different things. I felt like there was such a support system for me making my decisions and for ultimately everything getting done.
We have our own custom millwork shop where we can replicate moldings. We do any kind of built-in, from kitchen cabinets down to a little small vanity, mantles, pretty much anything that can be made, we can make in our shop. From custom decks, high-end decks, to railings, to any sort of outdoor living space. We do it ourselves, knowing when we're gonna need it, we'll have it ready for us.
I've never done anything like this before, and so having him come in and give, solid 30+ years of experience, offer that into our project, that was invaluable.
The greatest satisfaction being in business over 30 years is being able to please people. Not only that, but coming back and pleasing their children, in some cases, their children. If we can do that, I find itself that we've made a success and a stamp in our industry.
Mike and the project and everything in one word, professional.